In today's video, I'm going to be swapping out the headlights on the Renault Spider, converting it from left-hand to right-hand traffic. So if you saw my previous video about taking the Spider for its registration test in Sweden, you'll have seen that it failed on the headlights, of course, because it's a UK car now living in Europe. So what I need to do is I need to remove the headlight assembly from the car and then take it to bits, work out what lens I need, see if that lens is available. I suspect it's not, or not for a reasonable price. Find an alternative and then make that alternative fit, essentially. So first things first will be to take the headlight off the car. I'll just do it on one side. Won't do it on both because obviously the headlamp is identical both sides. Yeah, so let's get cracking. Okay, now I've got the lamp off the car, removed it from its plastic frame, need to keep that and reuse it, of course. I've taken a look online to see if I can find the equivalent lamp for this for right-hand traffic, and surprise, surprise, they don't make them anymore. So I managed to track some down from some of the Spider suppliers out there, and would you believe it, they wanted €500 for one second-hand lamp, or if I wanted new, €1,000 per lamp. So clearly I wasn't going to pay that, which I suspected might have been the case, sadly. So I've measured up the lamp, and the hole on the Spider is 135mm that the front face of the lamp needs to be. And on the back side, this diameter here is 144.5. So all I need to do is find something that has those dimensions. It doesn't matter about the lamp so much because you can rewire it. So after some searching, I came across this item here, which is from Hella. The part number, if you can see it there, is the 1A3 number. These cost me 850 kroner delivered from Amazon.se. So that's what, about 70 quid for the pair, brand new. And as you can see, they are pretty much identical to the originals. All I need to do is just change the wiring to take the H4 bulb in the back here, and obviously it's not going to be main beam and low beam, it's just going to be a low beam that I need. And I'm probably going to need to tweak this a little bit here because in the original lamp that is housed up here as well. But those should be the only modifications I need to make. Thought I'd just quickly show you the plan. So we've got our new lamp here with the bulb in place. I've bought the H4 connectors, which you can get from any kind of auto shop. I got these at Biltema in Sweden. You only need, this is the ground wire and this is the side light wire. So I'm going to, from here, I'm going to remove this red one. I'm going to pull it out. So you just have to push that shield back and then you can just unclip the pin for this one here. So I'm going to remove that because I don't need it. And then I'm going to get rid of this from here, and I'm going to cut this one off and use the original one and basically rewire it. I'm going to have to cut this and be able to retain the standard plug because I can't find that type of plug easily. So those are the mods I need to make, and then it'll all be ready to fit up to the car. So I will do that now. Okay, so we're now done with wiring the lamp up and putting everything back together. So all I need to do is refit it to the car and give it a test, and then repeat for the other side, and that is it.